Oh, here she is. Look at the rusty brake calipers. Ugh. For the rotors, I mean, sorry. Alright guys, so my camera's dying. I gotta charge that up. I got my other room was delivered. Gotta go do that, get that, bring that up, and bring up my other tires. So let's get at that. Alright guys, got the other two wheels up here. Got my rim, we'll open that up. And we're gonna put those in here. Push it down. I gotta wash it too. But let's open this. I'm gonna open the box and then I'll bring you guys back. Okay. Whew, look at that. There she is. There you guys go. That's the new rim. $20 by $9. Yep, perfect. Take this out to my powder coat guy, and he's going to powder coat it up for me. And I don't know where he thinks it's going, but it'll be red, just like the other one. And I'm going to be changing the tire soon. Obviously, you guys saw that, so maybe I'll get some footage of that. Alright. Got the tires loaded up. Got the rim loaded up. Let's roll. Alright guys, we're here at Discount Tire. We're going to have these guys, I don't know what's up with these tires, but I'm ready to get rid of them. This one keeps wanting to burn and the other one don't, but you guys can see they're pretty bald. I think the wires are actually about to start showing. Maybe we should do one more burnout. I don't know. But you guys will see some new rubber right now. There they are. Oh! Brand new tires. They're a little dirty. Obviously they had to put them on, and I haven't washed the car yet, but much better rubber. We'll be good now. But I also got something else in the garage. We're going to go to that here in a second. I would think they could do at least a feet. Here it is, guys. 21-gallon air compressor. You know, after buying this little one, I liked it. I like it a lot, but it just can't keep up. It doesn't pump fast enough, and it just kind of sucks. I like it. I'll probably use it for maybe some other things, figure out something for it, but you know, we got that, the big one. Dropped off that rim at my powder coat guy's house, so that will be in there. I got to figure out how to take apart my dad's toolbox. I want to have it cleaned up. I'm going to have him powder coat it the same red that's on my rims, fix the drawers, which I got to get a hold of a snap-on guy for, and yeah, when I get that other rim this summer, I'm going to buy some drag radials, and we're going to put drag radials on my extra 2 rims, and then I'll have that for this summer. So that'll be fun. That'll be something to look forward to. I think otherwise right now, guys, that's all I got. I'm going to get that opened up, and I'm going to say that's it for the night. So thank you for watching. I appreciate it. If you're new here, please like, subscribe, and I will see you guys again. Adios.